All right, y'all. Welcome back to another live trading video. It's Friday, so we want to end the week up. We want to make sure that we end the week strong. So we're gonna look for opportunities, A+ opportunities only today. We're gonna lower our risk a little bit, just because again it's Friday. We don't want to do no dumb stuff. So what I'm seeing right now on crude oil is buy opportunities. We're currently in my area of interest right now. The reason I'm looking for buys are just because we did break structure to the downside and then immediately break structure to the upside, breaking these highs, and now we're coming back into a discount for potential buy opportunities. Before, I'm not just gonna buy right now. Before I buy, I want to just kind of see price create some sort of support in this area, potentially coming down and respecting this 61%. We're already in a discount, so even if it doesn't respect that 61%, I'm still gonna look for buy opportunities. I just need the lower time frame, maybe the 5 minute, to show some sort of support, create some sort of support in this area. Even if we take out these lows here, I'll be okay with it as long as we don't close below that low. But I'm waiting right now, just being patient, trying to see if prices or the markets are going to give me something good. This is the only opportunity I see. I do on NG see possible sales if we can come up and take out some lower time frame buy side liquidity sitting here, which is just really like a pullback into a premium in order to sell down, take out some sell side liquidity down here on a higher time frame. But we're kind of choppy right now, and I don't really like that price action. So unless I see something clean up here, crude oil is going to be my first option. But again, before I take anything, I need to see some sort of support being created on the lower time frame or wicks on a higher time frame. So let's see if we get it. Again, it's Friday, so I'm not in a rush to take anything. I'm obviously trying to protect all of my capital that I gain throughout the week. So if we get it, we get it. If we don't, we don't. It may be a no trade day, and I'm okay with that as well, as long as we ain't taking no L. All right, y'all. As you can see, we completely blasted through. We completely blasted through this area of interest. So I'm no longer interested in buys right now. I would have to see price come all the way back into this area on the 4 hour, and as you can tell, we have a long way before that happens. So right now I'm no longer interested in buys for crude oil, again, unless we have some sort of huge push out of this area. For now though, I do see a small opportunity for buys on NG or natural gas. If we can get a tap into this 5 minute fair value gap and then it hold, I'll be looking to come up and take all of this liquidity out on the, if you can see on the 4 hour, we have a lot of liquidity sitting right here, right? We also have this gap on the 4 hour sitting here that I know just wants to be tapped into before we continue down. So if it gives me an opportunity to get in on the 5 minute, I will. If not, we just won't be trading today. All right, y'all. We are in this area of interest. I'm not like super like headstrong on this particular trade, just because we are still making lower highs and lower lows right here. The only reason why I like the buys is just the higher time frame. We took some sell side liquidity, so I'm expecting price to come up, take buy side liquidity before we ultimately come down. But I don't know, like I'm at the point right now where I'm just like, do I trade it? Do I not? I would have to see some support being met right here to be convinced to take this buy. So I'm just sitting on my hands right now. It's a Friday. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I'm not too pressed to take a trade, fam. Like, I'm not doing that shit, bro. I'm at the point, bro. I am so tired of not leveling up that I have no choice but to be disciplined. I have no choice but to sit on my hands sometimes to get the result that I need to get. Like, the normal me would probably just be entering right now, but the more developed me, the more disciplined me, the person who sees the long run, the long term goals. I need to wait. Like, it's like I don't see what I need to see in the charts, so I'm sitting on my hands. Like, fuck all this shit. I'm sitting on my hands until I need to see what I need to see. I'm sitting on my hands, man. Like, I'm tired of losing for no reason. I'm tired of not leveling up because of my inconsistency. You know what I'm saying? So right now, if I don't get a trade, I'm gonna be okay. I'm gonna be okay. I'm gonna have another opportunity next week. You know what I'm saying? Start off good. This week has been an amazing week for me. I don't want to end on no stupid shit, so sometimes you just gotta sit on your hands. Stay disciplined. Stay locked in. Understand what you need to see. If you don't see it, then it's cool. It's cool. But at the end of the day, that discipline is what's gonna get me where I need to be. You feel me? Sitting on my hands is what's gonna get me where I need to be. The more I'm in the markets, the more I'm trading for no reason, the more I fucking lose. The more I sit on my hands, the more I'm super strategic on trades that I'm looking for, or super picky about the trades that I want to take, the more I win. It's as simple as that. Either you're gonna be disciplined or you're not. And right now I ain't got no choice. If I'm trying to get out my situation, I ain't really got a choice. So discipline is the only thing I can do. Staying disciplined is the only thing I can do at this point. I really don't have a choice but to stay disciplined, bro. I'm tired of not winning. I'm tired of not leveling up. I'm tired of staying and being in my own way because I'm not disciplined, because I'm not consistent, because I won't follow my own rules. Rules I set in place, but I'm not following. For what? For some money? Bro, I'm losing money not being disciplined. I'm losing money not following my rules. So if that's something that I'm trying to do, if I'm really trying to get to that next level, I have no fucking choice but to stay disciplined. I have no choice but to be consistent, or else I'm gonna continuously be in the same spot that I was, 6 months ago. I'm gonna continue being in the same spot that I am today, 3 months from now. Like, I don't want that shit. 3 months from now, bro, I'm trying to have a bag. I ain't really trying to be in the same spot no more. Fuck all that. All right, y'all, we're getting a nice push up right now. I went extremely low risk on this trade just because I wasn't too confident in it. Let me show you guys what I'm seeing. Yeah, went extremely low, only 3 contracts on this trade. 3 contracts on a $250,000 account is not a lot at all. But I wasn't willing to risk a lot. Especially since it's a Friday and I wasn't too confident. But it looks like we're pushing up, so I'm just gonna let it do what it do, and we'll see if we can hit these highs up here for a win. All right, y'all. Again, I won't be holding this trade for long because we are in an overall downtrend, but I do want to see these this buy side liquidity get taken out. So that's where I'm taking my TP. We're looking at if price does, let's say this, when price hits this area right here, we are gonna be at a probably like $300 win, something small. I don't like this rejection. If I'm being honest with you, I don't like this rejection. So I might actually be getting out because I don't like it. Let's see what it does. If it comes down to this area, I'm just gonna get out because I already wasn't confident in this particular trade, and I don't want to take an unnecessary loss. So it's only gonna be like a $300 win if I do win. So we'll see. To be honest, I probably should have just stayed off the chart. I probably should have not even gotten this. Even if I do win, I probably should just not even got into this trade. That's where your psychology comes in, guys. Like understanding when to get in and when not to get in. I said it before I even started live trading that it's Friday, right? Like, movement's probably gonna be slow. You don't want to take any unnecessary losses. You don't want to take any big losses. Even if you do trade on Fridays, you want to lower your risk. I did do that, so I'm happy with that part of it, but I'm just not happy with the trade itself. Like it's a shitty trade, to be honest. So if I lose, I'm probably gonna lose maybe like $150. If I win, I'm gonna get about $300. So if price comes down here and breaks this low, I'm just gonna get out. But again, psychology, guys, and sticking to your plan, sticking to those A+ setups. Even though I've been trading for a minute, I still have to tell myself that every single time. A+ setups only, and if the A+ setups lose, you can't be mad at that. But getting into trades like this, I probably shouldn't have did that. I did lower my risk, right? So again, I'm not gonna lose maybe but $150, which is nothing. But that goes to show you that I probably shouldn't have been trading anyway. But we'll see if this plays out. Price action is shitty right now. I don't like all of this right here, right? Like, none of that is appetizing for me. Even though I'm currently winning the trade, it's just not appetizing for me. You know what I mean? Like, I like A+ setups, and this was okay. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, we took sell side liquidity. We should, in theory, come up, take buy side liquidity before continuing down, but she's just taking forever. And I know, it's testing my patience, but also it's testing my psychology, testing my discipline, all the things that I need. So maybe it's good that I got in this trade. Maybe this is like a learning lesson of being able to sit in a trade that you kind of didn't really like, but seeing how it plays out. Lowered my risk, so this is not going to be a big loss. If I did lose, maybe like less than $200, but even that tells you that I probably shouldn't be in the trade if I can't risk my actual normal amount of a 1%, and on this account a 1% is $2,500, and I'm only risking $200, so that tells you a lot right there. But we are going to sit through this. If price comes back into this area right here, I'm just going to get out. So I'm going to put my stops at break even, because I do not want price to come back and make another low. Because we already made the top wick of this candle, if it comes back down here and takes these lows out, it's probably going to continue down, and I don't want to be a part of that. So it looks like that's what's about to happen. So I'm actually gonna probably get out. I'm just gonna get out, guys. Like I don't like this. I don't like any part of this. So I'm gonna get out here. So you guys can see. Let me execute this trade. I'm down like $30. I'm gonna get out to here.
Order filled.
Should have been a no trade day for me. I'm down all of $40, so a $30 loss plus the fees. Yeah, should have been a no trade day. That's gonna be it for me. It's about to be 11 o'clock. I do not trade after 11 o'clock. At least that particular part I'm staying disciplined on. A little disappointed that I even got into that trade when I knew that it was gonna be a little choppy. I didn't like price action. Look at all of this. Like, if you guys look at this right here, this area, this is a sign to not trade. Like, I'm speaking to myself at this moment. This is a sign to not trade. I do not like this price action. All right. So I still have to talk to myself, guys. I still have to just give myself those same pep talks of when to trade, when not to trade, when to be disciplined. Well, not when to be disciplined. I should always be disciplined, but when to follow my instincts on trading versus not trading, lowering my risk versus going full risk, and just moving on. You know, it's Friday. Not a bad end to a Friday. I didn't lose but $40 on this account, which is absolutely nothing. So I'm happy to just get out, following, my discipline and just staying out of the charts. It's about to be 11 o'clock. Like I said, I do not trade after 11 o'clock. So I will see you guys on the next live video. I didn't get much today, but still a good video for you guys to see my thought process during trades, my psychology during trades. I even beat myself up sometimes. So again, I'll see y'all next video. Be on the lookout for my Discord August 15th. And yeah, see y'all next time. Peace.